How to install or update Xcode 26.2 on your Mac. Step-by-step guide. Hey developers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install or update Xcode 26.2 on your Mac step by step. No confusion, no mistakes. What is Xcode 26.2? Xcode is Apple's official IDE for building apps on iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, Vision Pro, and more. Version 26.2 is the latest stable release that includes updated SDKs and Swift toolchain support for iOS 26.2, macOS 26.2, watchOS, tvOS, and visionOS. Before we start, check your Mac compatibility macOS. Sequoia 15.6 or later is required to install Xcode 26.2. Install or update from Mac App Store. Step 1. Open the App Store on your Mac. Step 2. In the search bar, type Xcode and hit Return. Step 3. If you don't have Xcode installed, click Get or Install. If you already have a previous version, you'll see Update. Click that. Step 4. It may take some time because Xcode is large, 10+ gigabytes. Be patient. Step 5. Once installed, open Xcode, then go to Xcode, click About Xcode, and check that it says version 26.2. Common tips and problems. Tip 1. Free up space. Make sure you have enough free storage. Xcode needs around 12 to 15 gigabytes. Tip 2. Update macOS first. If your Mac doesn't support Xcode 26.2, update macOS to Sequoia 15.6 or later. Tip 3. Slow App Store downloads? Sometimes the App Store can be slow. If so, use the manual download method instead. Tip 4. Old simulator issues. After updating, your older simulators may need re-download inside Xcode's preferences to components. That's it. You're now ready to install or update Xcode 26.2 on your Mac. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and tell your coder friends. Comment below if you faced any problems. I'll help.